ביאור משנה ג', explanation from משנה ג'. משנתנו דנה בערבה. So after we finished לולב and הדס, now we're going to do with ערבה. שסימניה הם, how do you know which is a willow? עליה משוחים כנחל, they've got long leaves, קצרים וארוכים, short and wide. פי החלק, its mouth is smooth. What does it mean? כלומר שקצות העלים חלקים הם ואינם משוננים. It means that it doesn't have like jagged, it's smooth. Yeah. וקנה של האדום, and it has got a red branch. ערבה, so it's the same thing as we learned up to now. ערבה גזולה ויבשה פסולה. If it is stolen or if it is dry, it is not kosher. מהטעמים שביארנו בלולב. From the reason that we said the lulav, it has to be hadar. It's not hadar, it's not kosher. של אשרה ושל עיר הנידחת פסולה. Or if it is the same thing of idol worship or a city that worshipped idols, again, since it is supposed to be burnt, then it doesn't have a measurement, so therefore it is פסול. כמו שביארנו בלולב, like we explained the lulav. נקטם ראשה. What happens if it cuts its head? של הערבה, of the ערבה. By the way, over here in the Mishnah it says נקטם ראשה, it's pasul. Yeah, it's pasul. I don't think the halacha is it's pasul.
Oh no?
No, but maybe it's going to say later on why. Yeah, the halacha is only, it's not pasul. Yeah, I don't know why, but only the lulav.
It doesn't say pasul.
Yeah, it's going to say.
נקטם ראשה של הערבה.
Yeah, or נפרצו עליה, or נשרו עליה, or all the leaves, or the majority of the leaves fell. ויש מפרשים נסדקו עליה. Some says they got split the leaves. והצפצפה. What's the צפצפה? צפצפה is מין ערבה. It's a type of willow. צפצפה. You know it from Israel. שעליה העגולים ומשוננים. Over there the leaves are round and they're jagged. Yeah? וקנה של הלבן, and it's not red, the branch, it is white. All these things are psula. All these examples, it is not kosher. This is according to the Mishnah, not according to halacha, yeah? בגמרא אמרו, in the Gemara it says, שיש עוד מין ערבה, that is another type of a willow, שעליה משוחים וקנה של האדום, that it has got long leaves and a red branch, אלא שקצוות העלים אינם חלקים, but the edges of the leaves are not smooth, they're jagged. כי אם יש בהם פגימות קטנות עד מאוד כמו מגל. They have small little jagged. ואף זו כשראי. And you should know that because it is small ones, if it's small jagged, then it's okay. Okay. כמושה. What happened? כמושה is what we face every Sukkot. That's the trouble we have. כמושה, it means that it becomes like dry. ערבה נובלת. It becomes, starts to become black. ושנשרו מקצת עליה, and the minority of the leaves fell, כל שלא נשרו רובם, as long as the majority did not fall, you find, yeah? ושל, I think by us the halacha is 3. You need 3 leaves you find, not majority.
Okay.
I think so. But I'm not sure that we'll have to say. Again, we're learning Mishnah. We're not learning halacha. ושל בעל, what's בעל? בעל means it's far away from the water of the field. בעל means the field. It's far away from the river because they say ערבי נחל on the border. של הערבה הגדלה בשדה של על מי גשמים ועל הנחל. It means that it doesn't get watered by the river, it gets watered by the rain. Even though it's not ערבי נחל, they are still kosher. ומה שנאמר בתורה ערבי נחל, so why does it say you have to take the willow from the river? It says ערבי נחל specifically. Yeah? אין הכוונה לערבי נחל דווקא. They don't mean that they need the willow to grow with the water. אלא שדיבר כתוב בהווה. It tells you the type. The type that ערבי נחל, if it goes somewhere else, it's also good. שהדרך הערבה לגדול על הנחל, because usually that's where they grow, right by the river. אבל גם כל ערבה שאינה גדלה על הנחל, but any willow, even though it doesn't grow by the river, אם יש בה סימנים שהבאנו לעיל, if it has the signs that we brought before, הרי היא כשרה. Behold, it is kosher.